Hey mates, welcome to Tech Solutions, your tech guide. Do you want to enable Wayland Session on your Ubuntu 22.04? Let's do. Log in your Ubuntu system. You must be seeing we are on X11. It's the default session on Ubuntu Jammy Jellyfish. You must be seeing the custom configuration file in the shown directory location. We need to edit this. Use Nano to edit it. In the daemon section, uncomment the Wayland enable line and set it as true. Save the edit and exit Nano. Let's reboot. Log in again. Choose Ubuntu. Let's verify session. It's Wayland. You have successfully changed your X11 session to Wayland on Ubuntu 22.04 Jammy Jellyfish. Anything to ask? Comment it. Thanks for watching. Good day.